Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Hyundai Veloster SR Turbo, stock reference number 5342. This shape runs from the 7th month to 2012 through to the 2nd month 2018. It has a G4 FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Right hand headlight, right hand fog light, front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard has one small dent, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left hand side skirt, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, right door appears to have no damage, right guard has one small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and blue leather interior. All interior does require cleaning. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.